The next two controllers we build will make calls to the Twitter API. Before we can make calls to the Twitter API, we will need to create a Twitter developer account and get credentials that we can use to make calls to their API. Head over to apps.twitter.com and log in. If you don't already have a developer account, you may have to go through a few screens to complete the sign-up process, but you'll eventually land on your Twitter applications page. From here, click on the Create a New App button. You will be presented with a screen and asked to fill out a couple of details about your app. You'll just need to fill out the app name, which we'll set to Learning Node, a description, which we'll set to Learning how to build apps with Node.js, and finally a URL where your app will live. For now, this URL does not have to match a real location, so we'll just put scotch.io. Finally, you'll just have to accept the developer license agreement and move on. Now you will be presented with your Twitter app screen. Here you can see all types of information about your app. We'll need to do one more thing here to make sure we get the right set of credentials. Click on the Keys and Access Tokens tab. Here you will see a consumer key and secret. Go ahead and copy these two credentials into a notepad or similar app. One important thing to note is that you should never give these credentials out. Consider them sacred to your application and only allow trusted parties that need these credentials to view them. In the next video, we'll show how to add these credentials to your application securely by storing them as environmental variables. By default, Twitter has created our client key and secret. These keys are typically used for Twitter authentication and to identify your application. We'll also need to get a set of access tokens to be able to make calls to the Twitter API. To get these access tokens in secret, scroll to the bottom of the page and you will see a button called Create My Access Token. Click this button and a set of keys will be generated. Copy the access token and secret and save it in a safe place for now. And remember, do not give these credentials out.